To request the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website or going directly to the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an Apple device, go to the App Store. And if you are using an Android device, go to Google Play. Search for Fifth Third Bank in the search bar and select the Fifth Third mobile banking app from the results. Click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. Once the app is downloaded, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to log in or enroll in mobile banking. If you are an existing Fifth Third Bank customer, you can log in using your existing online banking username and password. If you are not an existing customer, you can enroll in mobile banking by selecting the Enroll Now option and following the prompts to create a new username and password. During the enrollment process, you will be asked to provide some personal and account information to verify your identity. This may include your name, address, and account number. You will also be asked to create a new username and password, and to set up security questions and answers. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you can log into the mobile app using your new username and password. From here, you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and access other mobile banking services. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to keep your username and password confidential, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access the mobile app. It is also a good idea to regularly update your password and to monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can easily request and start using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to manage your accounts and access mobile banking services on the go. The mobile app is a convenient and secure way to bank, and it is available to all Fifth Third Bank customers.